Hey, car friends! Everything I'm about to share in this video has been confirmed by professional mechanics here in the shop, so relax, your problem can be fixed. If your Toyota or Lexus shows the drive start control malfunction message, don't panic. What the car is basically saying is, hey, something's off with how I start and manage engine power, so pay attention. Sometimes it shows up on its own, sometimes along with brake or traction control lights, but it's a warning, not a dead car. The first thing most mechanics do and recommend is a simple system reset. You can do this by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for a few minutes and then reconnecting it. Many owners report that after this, the message disappears temporarily and the car goes back to normal. If it comes back, further investigation is needed. If the reset doesn't help, the next usual suspect is the car battery or its connections. A weak battery, corroded terminals, or loose cables can make the computer read incorrect data and trigger the message. Cleaning the terminals and ensuring a solid connection with good voltage usually fixes many intermittent warnings. When the message keeps showing up, mechanics recommend using an advanced scanner that reads codes specific to the start control and transmission system. This helps identify if a sensor is sending erratic signals, like the transmission position sensor, brake or accelerator pedal sensors, or electronic throttle. In many cases, the culprit turns out to be the transmission position sensor or the neutral park switch, which tells the car whether the shifter is where it should be. If it sends wrong data, the system thinks it can't start safely and triggers the warning. Replacing or repairing this sensor has solved the problem for many owners and forums. Other mechanics report that the issue can be deeper, related to the electronic throttle or even the ECU. If these computers receive out-of-range information, the car triggers the warning to protect the engine and transmission. In these cases, a software update or module reprogramming at the dealer is usually the final fix. Finally, some mechanics note that this error can appear after maintenance on the powertrain, such as replacing sensors, spark plugs, or transmissions. Checking that everything is properly connected with no pinched or misrouted wires often resolves the issue before thinking about replacing expensive modules.